Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And you guys, I did a thing. So I am on a no buy for 2026, but I was sad. Let's just put that out there. I was sad. And the only thing that made me feel better was buying craft supplies. And where did I get them from, you might ask? OfficeSupply.com, you guys. So have you been on there yet? I've been seeing people hauling from there like crazy. So this is my box of goodies. I didn't get much, okay? I really didn't. I didn't want to go crazy. We all know I don't got the money to go crazy, okay? I spent $50. All right. And that was with free shipping. And it was 53 something because of tax. But I made sure to get $45. I think you spend $45 to get free shipping. So I made sure to get to that so I could get the free shipping because I had like $42 worth of stuff in my cart. So I was like, might as well get the free shipping, right? So I'm going to start with the most expensive thing that I got. I've always wanted this, and they had it for $16. But I got the We R Makers Fuse tool. Okay, so this is for making like pockets. You can make all kinds of pockets. You can make shakers and stuff like that. So and I think you can use any kind of plastic. So I got this. This was 16 something. The cheapest I found it before that was 22 on Amazon. So I got that. Okay, put that over there. Okay, I had to stop for a drink. My Arizona green tea. Anyway, I got also the blades for my trim and scoreboard from We R Makers. These are usually I think like 20 bucks in the store. They were $3. $3 and some cents at Office Supply. So I got that. I got a bunch of We R Makers stuff, by the way. I got, I think, 3 or 4 things from We R Makers. So the next thing I got was the pickup stick. This is for their Spin It. I just wanted it for, obviously, to pick things up. I have the Quick Stick, and I hate the Quick Stick. I hate the Quick Stick because the blue stuff that comes out of the Quick Stick never comes out of my Quick Stick. Like, it's stuck in there, and it never comes out. So it's no longer sticky. I don't know what the problem is. I've watched many YouTube videos. I don't know what the issue is. But I got this. I think this was hold on, let me actually get out my phone so I can tell you exactly how much everything was. This literally just came, though, by the way. I don't remember when I ordered this stuff. But I just got here. Okay. Go into my order. Of course, it's not going to tell me how much I paid for everything, right? So this fuse tool was $16.90. Okay. And then the pickup stick was $2.38. And this 2-pack was $3.85. Okay. So that's the We R Makers stuff. Oh, I have one more thing. I have the spring scissors. Now, every once in a while, you guys, I really like to make a rag quilt. And my neighbor informed me that the best scissors to use for a rag quilt to cut into the rag quilt are these kind of scissors. Because you can just clip, 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 clip. So these were on, I got these for, where is it? Let's see. $3.82 is what I got these for. Okay. So these will come in handy. I mean, not just for that, but I'm going to use them. That's why I bought them. I have plenty of scissors for crafting, paper crafting, but I wanted these for rag quilts because I really want to make another rag quilt soon. So that's what I got those for. And $8.82. You cannot pass that up. All right. Next, I did get this package of pink ribbons from American Crafts. Like, as you know, I am slowly running out of ribbon. I believe this was $2.95. $2.95. And each one is 4 feet. So they're 0.3, this one's 0.35 inches. Oh, that is in there. They have it wound up through the middle. Okay. So this one's 0.35 inch by 4 foot, and it's just a striped. This is the only set like this that they had. This one's the same. And then, of course, the baker's twine, pink baker's twine. This is 8 feet by 0.039. Of course, it's thin, but that's 8 feet of that. This is 4 foot of that one. And 4 foot of this one, the little gingham. So, and then this pink piece. There you go. That was $2.95. All right, next I have this 48-piece purple mix of beads. Okay, there's some furry beads in there. Where's my, let me get out my blade. Yeah, they're little furry beads. They're furry. They're furry. There we go. Look how cute those are. There's some, look at those little hearts. So there's some good beads in here. So that was $2.25, which is funny because it says $2 on the package. But that's okay. That was, who knows where that was sold. But this is from Cousin DIY, which is part of now whoever owns the Nicole brands. Nicole Craft Brands now owns Cousin DIY, I believe, as well as We Are Makers and American Craft. All right, next I did get this centering ruler, and this thing was like $2, I believe. $2.05. It's bendable, which is nice because it can go and you can find the center of something round. So this is 16 inches, right? Is that what it is? Is that what it said? I don't remember. What does it say? Yeah, 16-inch ruler, so you can find the center for any project, even some with dimensional shapes. And because it bends easily, you can put down letter stickers. I got this because my Tim Holtz ruler is chipped in spots, like a lot of spots. It is very much chipped along the edge. Oh my God, that's really bad. I didn't realize how bad it was. And they don't make this ruler anymore. So I wanted to make sure I still had a centering ruler for when this one I have to end up giving up because I didn't realize it was that chipped. That's really bad. I did not realize at all that it was that bad. Okay, what else do I got in here? Okay, I got some felt bows. These are American Crafts, but they're little felt bows, and I just thought I tried to get a mix of different things so you guys could see a mix of different items. These were $1.96 for these little felt bows. They're absolutely adorable. So I got those. And then let's see. These are the April and Ivy enamel stickers. They're hearts and circles, and there's some like check in some of them. These were $1.83. These are also American Craft. I got those. All right, so I did get the Nuvo stamp cleaning cloth. I had to get rid of my last microfiber cloth because it was that bad, and this, you guys, was $1.96. $1.96. And it's machine washable, so I can wash it. And it says you can use the cleaning solution with it. So, but yeah, this was $1.96 for this. I was not passing that up. Okay. I also got some of these 49 in Market Instaflip pocket sleeves. This is one of my more expensive items. $4.75. There's 12 in here of 3 different sizes, but I thought this would be good to add into my journals if I have pictures for in my journals. So it's literally just a sleeve, and then you pull the glue off and you can glue it in, and it can flip and do all kinds of stuff. And I thought that would be perfect for if I had really nice photos I wanted to add to my journal. You never know when you're going to need something like that. But like I said, this was one of my more expensive items. It was $4.75. I also I needed ivory paper. So this is the Tonic Studios Craft Perfect, which I have actual mirrored cardstock that I got once upon a time from Tonic, and it's so nice. This is $2.67. You get 10 sheets. They're 8.5 by 11, and they're acid and linen free. So I needed this for a certain project. I can tell you guys, I needed it for my March Make a Journal. Okay, so you'll be hearing about March Make a Journal soon, and that's what I needed that for. I have 2 more things left in here. I'm going to take this out of the plastic. This is in very thick plastic. We're going to do a flip through of it. So this is the Little Birdie Sunshine and Lemonade 6x6. It was $2.32 for this. So we're going to flip through it. I wanted to get a paper to see, because they have, guys, they have some good deals on paper, okay? Some good deals on paper. There are 2 of every sheet. They're single-sided, which is okay to me. I don't mind single-sided paper. I went with this one because I've only ever seen one other company, and I'm wondering if this is made by the same company. It's Little Birdie. I wonder if Little Birdie is under the same as another company. But it has die cuts that you can fussy cut out. The only other companies I see do that are Minte, and I had a 6x6 49 in Market. Actually did the same thing on a 6x6. I had a one, and also I like that. Like, hey, paper companies, take note. Okay, take note of that. All right. Okay, this is what I want to see on the top of all of your paper pads from now on, so I can look at it and know exactly what it is. But I like that it came with, now because of the way this package is, the papers have fallen out. I don't care about that. But that's why I got it, because I liked this part of it. I thought that was interesting, and I wanted to check out the quality of the paper. And this one was so cheap, so I grabbed it. And I really, I mean, that paper is really pretty. It was like, I think one of the last ones I looked at, right? Or was it one of the first ones? There it is. It's very pretty. Okay, I have one last thing in here, and this thing was free. Okay, just a pair of scissors. So these scissors, there was a coupon that you could either get with how much I spent. The scissors for free or Post-it notes for free, and I could always use scissors, so I took the free scissors. So that's my little office supply. I could have went hog wild. Like, there was so much paper that I would have bought if I wasn't mindful for how much money I spent. Okay, I'm very mindful of how much money I spend on craft supplies because I am on a no buy. But once again, guys, I was sad. All right, and if you're wondering, why were you so sad? Because you've never watched my channel before and you just wanted to look at the office supply. Last week, we had to say goodbye to my little wiener dog, Sammy, and I was super sad. So I shopped to help with the sadness. But there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.